Hey everybody, it's Mark Schultz with DigitalAircraft, and I'm still here in 2023, and it's very exciting because there's so many companies here that are coming out with amazing solutions and are announcing new relationships. And what I wanted to do here this afternoon was I wanted to introduce to you SkyThread and a little bit about what they're doing and how they're making a difference in the industry today. Yeah. So would you just quickly tell people who you are and basically what you do?
Sure, thanks Mark. So my name is Mark Roboff and I'm the CEO of SkyThread. And we're building an industry data network that enables companies in the MRO aftermarket to be able to share data effectively, efficiently, without friction by solving for trust and conflict of interest mitigation.
Okay, perfect. Now let me just dig into that just a little bit deeper,
Sure.
Because people need to understand really, what SkyThread does. And so we're going to get into a little bit more detail about the relationships that you've come up with people. But can you tell me a little bit about what is the technology that SkyThread is basing your solutions on?
Yeah, so it's a private permission blockchain. And what blockchain does is allows the industry to put data governance front and center so that it can share data in a way where everyone who's originating data into this network has control over how it's used. So therefore, if I'm an airline, I don't have to worry about giving my MRO data to another airline I make contract with because they're going to use it to perhaps see where I'm trying to plan routes, right? Or I can give my data to an airframer or to a component OEM and not have to worry about how they may use that data, on a warranty claim, right? So I can share data for the use cases I want to share the data for without having to worry about, contracts, trust, and all the other typical things that have prevented the industry from realizing value in digital transformation to date.